If you receive this text message in the next 72 hours, do not click it. Do not reply. Delete it. Immediately, right now, millions of Americans are waiting for a package. The scammers know this. They aren't guessing anymore. They are playing the odds. A new cybersecurity report confirms a 620% surge in smishing attacks, specifically targeting this Black Friday week. In this video, I'm exposing the 3 exact scripts draining bank accounts right now, and the one hidden URL trick that proves a text is fake in 3 seconds flat. Why is this happening now? November 2025 is the perfect storm. You are stressed. You are rushing. When your phone buzzes with "problem with order," your brain bypasses logic and goes straight to panic. They rely on urgency friction. They don't ask for $100. They ask for pennies. 30 cents. It seems so insignificant that you pay it without thinking. But you aren't paying for postage. You are handing over your card number, expiration, and CVV to a criminal syndicate. Here are the 3 specific variations hitting U.S. phones this week. Memorize them. Number 1, the incomplete address. Think about this logically. If a USPS driver is at your house and the number is missing, they don't text you. They don't have your number. They just mark it "return to sender." If a text asks for your address, it is a scam. Number 2, the unpaid customs fee. This targets business owners. They use a specific number, $2.14, not $2 flat. This precision tricks your brain into thinking it's a calculated tax. It is a lure. Number 3, the GPS driver. They prey on your fear of package theft. They offer a link to track the driver. You click, you log into a fake Amazon page, and they harvest your credentials. Why do smart people fall for this? Because of mirror sites? Scammers scrape the code from the real USPS site. It looks identical. The colors, the fonts, the tracking animation, it's all real code, hosted on a fake server. But here is the technical tell they can't hide. Look at the top-level domain. The real postal service is USPS.com. The scam is USPS-tracking.info or mobile-service.top. Legitimate U.S. logistics companies never use .info or .top domains. If you see a hyphen or anything other than .com, close the tab. You might think, I have fraud protection. You are missing the point. This isn't about $50. It's about data aggregation. When you fill out that form, you give them your Fullz, your full identity profile. They sell your identity on the dark web for $20. Someone buys it to open a line of credit or rent an apartment in your name. You might get your money back from the bank, but cleaning up your credit report will take 3 years. That is the real cost of that click. If you clicked a link this week, execute this protocol immediately. 1, call your bank and get a new card. 2, freeze your credit at Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. 3, forward the text to 7726. This allows carriers to block the number network-wide. The holidays are expensive enough, without funding criminals. Now I have a quick question for you. Have you received one of these texts yet? Comment yes or no down below. It helps the algorithm push this warning to more people who need to see it. I am tracking these scams daily, so if you want to keep your data safe, hit the subscribe. Stay safe.